President Cyril Ramaphosa has reappointed again Lesetja Kganyago at the helm of the South African Reserve Bank. This was announced by the spokesperson Mr. Vincent Magwenya on the upcoming presidential engagement program. Mr. Lesetja Kganyago has been at the helm of the South African Reserve Bank since October 2014, taking over from Gil Marcus, who was appointed by the then former President Jacob Zuma. His tenure was to expire in November 2024. He becomes the longest-serving Reserve Bank governor after Tito Mboweni post-1994. Ramaphosa has also made some appointments at the Reserve Bank that are going to support Lesetja Kganyago. Kenan Rusike, reporting for JCTV Africa, Pretoria, South Africa.